Tonight, we're gonna grab some ground turkey and we're gonna make my magic taco meat. In fact, when it's on sale, you're gonna grab a couple of packages and double this up and have a batch in the freezer. It's so good and we can make it so many different ways, you're gonna love it. So we're gonna start by putting a pound of ground turkey into my skillet and we're gonna brown this up completely and cook it thoroughly. So now I'm gonna add in some cut onions and garlic. And I'm using the Vidalia onions, but you can grab whatever your family's favorite is. Now we're just gonna stir these frequently and cook them up until they're nice and tender, but not brown. While the meat is continuing to brown and those onions and garlic are starting to cook up and get tender, I'm gonna make the juice for our taco meat. I've got a pint of grape tomatoes that I'm gonna puree all up and add that as the juice. And we're gonna add this right into the meat mixture. We'll let all of those flavors start to blend together. One more trick in my magic taco meat is this. I actually chop up 3 cups of fine baby spinach and put it in. It looks like we're putting spice in, but really we're just adding extra veggies. And my kids, now they're old enough, but when they were little, they never knew the difference. This is where the good flavor comes in. We have onion powder, garlic powder, salt, white pepper, chili powder, and cumin. We're all gonna add that in there. I'm gonna stir it all together. I'm gonna let all the flavors merge. It's that simple. Our tacos are ready to serve. And then we're gonna freeze the rest for another night. We're all about real food fast.